Hi guys. Maybe say hi. So, waiting lang kami kay Zion to wake up. Here's Zion taking a nap. And alis kami to go to places maggala. So, we're just waiting. Here he is. Chilling. Show the bondats. Wow. Flex.
Sasali pa naman tayo ng Mr. Olympia.
Okay, sige guys. Mag-ready lang ako, okay?
Okay.
Ano ba yan? Wow. Okay guys. Gala time kami. Zion. Hello. Yung baby niya. Shanak. Joke lang. Saan tayo punta?
Hindi ko alam.
Ha? Ito po siya ngayon. Super force. I think may titignan kaming winter tires, right?
Oh.
Diba? And then where are we going next? Tagal naman. May delay po siya ngayon. I think we're going Polo Park or Outlet.
Oo.
So, we'll see later, okay?
Boy.
Hi guys, so
$10.
we're in the mall right now with tignan natin to, $10. Bili ako. Dami ko ng leggings. Tignan natin guys. Zion, you wanna go with mommy? Tara, let's look. Entire store. Okay, ang daming choice, oh. Guys, order tayong KFC. Guys, wait. Grabe naman. Is Zion hungry? Oh, ba't blurry yung natin?
Yeah,
Guys, wait tayo sa order natin. Ayan na, si ate girl. Ayan si ate girl. Thank you. Ayan na. Oh, yeah. Ayan na.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go home and eat KFC, guys.
He was deprived of invaluable information necessary to allow it to perform its role.
Guys, anong thoughts nyo kay Sara Duterte?
Ano po yung
And
assessment na ginawa
yung
ng
nangyari issue this past weekend?